In this video, I'll break down the top 5 circular saws, and which saw I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best circular saw and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMES 500. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers reliable cutting power with its robust 13-amp motor, making it suitable for both DIY and professional woodworking tasks. The magnesium shoe provides durability while keeping the saw lightweight and maneuverable. Its tool-free bevel adjustment allows quick angle changes up to 55 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for common cuts. The saw features an electric brake that stops the blade quickly after release, enhancing safety and work efficiency. The spindle lock enables fast blade changes, while the metal upper and lower blade guards offer protection during operation. A dust port helps maintain a clear line of sight and cleaner workspace. The ergonomic handle with overmold grip reduces fatigue during extended use. This circular saw includes a carbide-tipped blade and comes with CRAFTSMAN's standard warranty coverage. At number 4, we have the Greenworks 24-volt 6.5-inch circular saw. The Greenworks saw delivers impressive cutting performance with its brushless motor reaching 4,800 revolutions per minute. The tool features tool-free bevel adjustments up to 50 degrees, enabling versatile angled cuts. Its metal blade guard and aluminum shoe provide durability while keeping weight manageable. The saw includes an integrated dust port for cleaner operation and better cut line visibility. Electric brake technology quickly stops the blade for enhanced safety and work efficiency. The brushless motor technology offers extended runtime and motor life compared to brushed alternatives. A built-in LED work light illuminates the cutting area in low light conditions. The saw comes with a 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade suitable for general-purpose cutting. The ergonomic grip design with rubber over mold reduces fatigue during extended use. Battery and charger are sold separately. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DCS 565B. The DEWALT delivers impressive cutting power with its brushless motor technology, maximizing both efficiency and runtime. This cordless circular saw operates on a 20-volt max battery system and features a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade that spins at 5,200 revolutions per minute, enabling smooth, precise cuts through various materials. The tool's magnesium shoe provides durability while keeping the overall weight balanced and manageable. An electric brake stops the blade quickly after trigger release, enhancing safety and control. The bevel capacity extends to 50 degrees with stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, offering versatility for angled cuts. Notable features include an integrated LED light for better cut line visibility and an optimized handle design for comfortable operation. The saw's dust port effectively channels debris away from the cutting line, maintaining clear sight lines during operation. At number 2, we have the SKIL SPT70 V11. This is our runner-up pick and delivers exceptional cutting power through its 15-amp dual-field motor, which maintains consistent speed under heavy loads. The saw's magnesium construction provides durability while keeping the tool lightweight and well-balanced. Its legendary worm drive design offers superior torque and control, particularly useful for long rip cuts and dense materials. The saw features a 56-degree bevel capacity with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, enabling versatile cutting angles. The anti-snag lower guard prevents material hang-ups during bevel cuts, while the cut-ready depth adjustment lever allows quick depth changes. For enhanced accuracy, the saw includes an integrated dust port and clear line of sight to the blade. The motor's dual copper windings improve heat dissipation, extending tool life during demanding jobs. Notable features include an onboard multifunction wrench for blade changes and adjustments, plus a durable power cord that resists job site wear. The saw's push-button spindle lock enables quick blade changes, and its die-cast aluminum footplate ensures stable, precise cuts. At number 1, we have the Makita XSH03Z. This is the best circular saw you can buy on the market and delivers exceptional cutting power through its brushless motor, which provides up to 5,000 revolutions per minute for efficient, clean cuts. This 18-volt cordless circular saw features an all-metal blade guard and sturdy magnesium base plate, ensuring durability and precise cutting angles. The saw's electronic speed control maintains consistent speed under load, while the electric brake enhances safety and productivity by quickly stopping the blade after trigger release. The tool includes a built-in dust blower that keeps the cut line clear, improving visibility and accuracy during operation. Its ergonomic soft grip handle reduces operator fatigue during extended use. The blade changing system is toolless, allowing for quick and convenient blade swaps. The saw's bevel capacity ranges from 0 to 50 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, enabling versatile cutting applications. LED lights illuminate the cutting area in low light conditions, and the battery fuel gauge helps monitor power levels. The saw accepts standard 6.5-inch blades and includes a large cutting capacity suitable for most common lumber dimensions. So that sums up my top 5 circular saws I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.